It's a Big Stuff Podcast Field Report.
Hey, Big Stuffers. We are in Cheshire?
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 Connecticut.
And we are standing here with this incredible bunyan Muffler Man. He's fiberglass, like most of them are, and he's a beauty. He could use a little bit of paint. It's okay, not a big deal.
The bunyan Muffler Man we're standing under is 26 feet tall, and apparently at one point he did have an axe in his hand that he was holding. But because of the height restrictions in the town of Cheshire, they had to change that, and they put the flag in his hand.
You know, a lot of these guys have been changed over the years from what their original use were. Most of them were done literally for muffler shops, and they were all holding mufflers. This guy may not have done that. We believe he was made in the 1980s, which is very late. But
his shirt says EC Tree on it, which would lead us to believe that he was with a tree shop since he had the axe in his hand.
Makes sense.
However, right now he is currently in front of the House of Doors and also a trampoline park.
Yeah, and he's there's not a lot on him, so he's kind of a mystery. We like him though, just like we like all the Muffler Men. They're
His
great.
fingernails are nicely trimmed, I noticed.
Not bad,
yes.
Not bad. The flag, he's very patriotic.
Although it's all tangled up right now.
That's okay.
Yeah.
And we love him. And I want this one for my backyard.
Yes, he's a strapping bunyan Muffler Man with that rugged jawline that we love so much, ladies.
Oh, boy. And he's got that stocking cap. I like that. All right, so.
He's a keeper.
Muffler Man, Cheshire,
and this is my first Muffler Man. You never forget your first.
That is your first Muffler Man. Are you impressed?
Very impressed.
That's important. Look at the size of the feet. You know what they say.
He's got gorgeous feet.
All right, so come to Cheshire, Connecticut, and see our buddy Bunyan with the American flag. See y'all.
Thanks for watching. Get all of our episodes and field reports at BigStuffPodcast.com.